How to add file from a computer on Dropbox mobile app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Dropbox. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do now is go down, click on this little plus icon. Now after you click on it, it will take you here. Now here you will find many options. All what you have to do is simple. Click on add file from a computer like this and click set up. And now you can scan your QR code to log into your Dropbox account on PC. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.